Hey, welcome to Cracks Country Cooking. I'm Ben, and today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful American Wagyu New York strip steaks on the Vortex. We're going to start with these beautiful American Wagyu New York strip steaks. I mean, look at the marbling on this thing. Alright, so we're going to keep the seasoning pretty simple on these because these are really nice steaks. Kosher salt on all sides. And fresh cracked pepper. And granulated garlic. So we'll vacuum seal these, throw these in a sous vide cooker, 130 degrees for 2 hours. It's been 2 hours. We'll pull the steaks out of the sous vide bag. There they are, all nasty looking. Now we'll pat these dry, get the Weber all fired up with the vortex in there, and we'll sear these off. Then we can try them. Just gotta make sure they're really dry. So we're gonna be cooking these caveman style directly on the charcoal. So what I do is I take the vortex, I put it upside down, right on the grate, then pour in some lump charcoal. Any of these real big pieces I'll put back in, use them for something else. So now what I do is I just take the whole grate out, take a tumbleweed, like that, then place this right over top. Give it about half an hour, it'll be all ashed over, it'll be ready to go. Now that our charcoal's ready and ashed over, we can throw our steaks on. You can only do this with lump charcoal. Don't do it with the briquettes. Go directly on. And they're done. We are done searing the steaks. Now we can cut into them and try them. Like no effort to cut. Look at that. That is beautiful. Now we can try it. It's got a good crust on it. Looks nice. Oh my god, it's so good. Seasoned perfectly, nice and juicy, so tender. Oh my god, so good. Alright, that's our video. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. Watch our past videos. We've got more videos coming out every week. Alright, see ya. It's dinner time.